The State Urban Affairs Department's decision to introduce a daily fee of Rs 50 for taxis operating from designated color-coded stands has triggered strong opposition from drivers in the city. At Rinja, members of the Rinja Taxi Association, along with leaders of the Sinjuk Kinongnya Taxi Sorbat Kapsor, staged a protest on Wednesday morning to voice their resentment against the move. The association said the plan would directly affect their earnings, which were already under strain due to rising costs of fuel and maintenance. The protest saw the participation of Sinjuk President Kmen Langkongla, the Assistant General Secretary Pinsuk Uroy and other leaders who joined the taxi drivers in rejecting the proposal. Addressing the gathering, Rinja Taxi Association President Frederick Nongklau said the introduction of a Rs 50 daily charge was unreasonable and would place an unfair burden on drivers. He wanted that if such fees were extended to other localities, taxi operators across Shillong would be compelled to bear additional financial pressure. As per the plan, the Urban Affairs Department intends to implement the fee collection system through electronic ticketing machines or ETMs. The scheme, which came into effect from the 1st of October, will initially cover 5 major localities, namely Nongmansong, Rinja, Waingdo, Riatsamthia and Malki. The department has maintained that the move is part of its efforts to streamline urban transport and regulate parking in busy areas. However, drivers and taxi unions have urged upon the state government to reconsider, arguing that the policy is exploitative and does not take into account the financial realities faced by daily wage earners in the transport sector. The standoff between the Urban Affairs Department and the taxi unions is likely to intensify if the government proceeds without addressing the grievances raised by the drivers.
President of Rinja Taxi Association, Bapak Pek South di Istana, Stan Rinja sa PB, Rinja Gunung Kemai, Rinja Nongrak, Rinja Pandai mah. Lacem di live bah, ya kata kejinglom sanpu tingkah singi mah, bah ngilai dan meeting bah ngilai live bah ngin mai, ngin penep ya kata sanpu tingkah. Marka kata sibun pi, sanpu tingkah lah dah sisin lanu kapiang teh. Kalau man kesini kelak tak sibun palat teh, ini ramai. So pagkibuan lagi para driver, hindi makanya kali lajong kini di bosik belah. Kidan ki yang kisam, kidan ki kon ki kiti, kidan ki badang marweru ki hapet para persa. Pasien jenjate, kalau ngingi, baru kumna asisten di member para, gila siap berkarai bangun siap. Tadi itu gila pernah amtala bahas cibana keladan tang baka kajing siap kan sedang naduk mentaksi mah, apa ayo rendah. Kalau kowe ngem persyak mah ya kata kajing lum kesorka mah, longnya karit berkebuk kalau long sabab palateh sampo tinggal sini tapi tak pi mana kain tang kasih tayo kalau pois ki ke lais pa man kain ki banai kain sepas nam along ko pangisio tax ki driver ke kesorka. Ani teh kalau along mi kumbaluti be direct ni YouTube ki sokek. Kalau ni wan hang ni surat MD wan yang kai iwan man kamai ni syak ki sini syak slap ni pindang ki passenger alai kawan ni kajing sok dongki ni ka sarkar pakai pak man kenyat yang ini kan juga
te negapor awan mi sunjuk presiden sunjuk Kinongnya Taxi Sorot wan kesan lain jingalang jong jalan ne ka sini mutasi ne halor ne ka kam belum parking ka sorka alright kan ka implementation ngila aslam ngila tiap ya kan la yo bor nambah ka bai kador ni patep ni tep tang tagasni bahkan sebelum nasan poinnya kata kalau melawan accept mah ni melawan pedang ya kata belum nasan poinnya boleh san poinnya boleh cakang yang keleng san po si Jakarta la poi anos basho tak juga sagoi pan ni basio road tax sisa ki sarkar di perkara pangilasi road tax borong kai ni sio road sarkar te balai kadang kami yo bandai ya kan parking bensin ya kan. Oh, dan kijinglom nak institution lala kajong institution ngilom mentah kajong ni driver apar berpang di situ. Balai dan kata insurance kamla yang kita ngilom para driver hingi MB dak untuk hingi pendap lang iwe. Tambah kani kalau ya lampak lah sawe pada kasokal kasim kabuno pakai lulusan poin ka. Kanda perkat rai nga baman ka jaka hapsio ya kan. om batang hane aranja narang apoi kolek mentana dengan poi senigrim narang apoi Indonesia nungsong narang apoi samar prakleng sodong niken apsio he de kasakari perkat no ben baga institution tadi ban island institution wan keren sahabat ngi khat swa yengi ban keren nor kene kapan ngam ong re bangim aira kadan hi jingi arab i we dan sarkar we ban arab ini ngin ni arab halor kam jingi arab impact kum no de menta su ong no menta ne senjar menta ki borobor ki song de kali running de ji kasten ke kali bayan hane ka su yang sa ki argumenta lai kita sadap kali ko de ka sarkar ka pe ya kane kan pe da kan perkhat ya kane su pe betang ya kata ka patin bajang ayo yang kim perkhat ya ka kamai ka ji jungi gila perkhat be direct be yala de ka de ben one be direct ka fan ka sarkar kata kan ya ha tetapi kwa hi ban ajing ya rabi ni perkhat so yingi kin perkhat so yingi kin kumnongi em kan nongi sim jar kan nongi ni ngat kibon ki jing jar kaswai kata benjen sok swai ini bon ke bani akram lor ke tamba ke neng sakran adin tempat adal sarkar hot ini an kata ingin pek insio ne msio tamba yak mentali te ngakarpat para institution badan apa kasenjuk ibam daerah bensio dia kene